So what's happening YouTube? It's your boy TechTrx back to another video. I have another quick video for you. Just little updates. See my Christmas tree there. We have installed. I have installed the little what's that mask and the what do you call that? Hand sanitizer. Yeah, that's right. But I have an update for you today of the can we use Windows, virtual Windows on our M1. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that like button, and check out my merch blog at 1130.ca. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see if Parallels will work on your M1 Apple MacBook. Here we go. So here I've downloaded the Parallels, the latest version of Parallels on Windows 10 right here. Shout out for those guys who likes munchies. But yeah, basically I have installed it right here. I have installed the Windows 10, so we're gonna go ahead and open that up. As you can see here, it says that this version of Parallels Desktop is not supported on Apple Silicon Macs. Okay. So I hit OK. Boom. Hit OK again. I was able to install Windows 10 actually. So it's all good and dandy. But there's a problem. When you hit play, it wouldn't actually turn on. It would always give me this not supported to Apple Silicon Macs. So let's hit learn more. Maybe there's a solution. So as you can see here, Parallels this desktop for Mac with Apple M1 chip. You can read up to this. I'll link this down below if you want to read it yourself. But basically, at the end of the day, you cannot do it just yet. It says here that that new version of the Parallel Desktop for Mac that can run on Mac is already in active development. So that means it's not out yet. So there you go. Sadly, we cannot play or install Parallels just yet on our MacBook Air M1. So M1 MacBooks, no go. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope I was able to help you on answering these questions on having Windows 10 on an ARM-based Apple Silicon Macs. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell as well. I hope to see you guys next time. I'll give you more updates on these on the next videos to come. So stay tuned. Peace.